Hello everyone. Have you ever seen your wife struggle in the kitchen with a dull knife that can't even cut through a single tomato? After getting the knife back from her, I want to take a closer look. I hold it in my hand and feel the edge with care. This is where experience matters. A sharp knife should feel smooth and even, not rough or jagged. Before putting it back to work, I picked up that knife and tried a quick test at the counter. I sliced into a sheet of paper. It didn't cut clean. The paper tore and frayed instead of splitting in one smooth line. That's a clear sign the edge is worn out. Most people would think about buying a new knife or a fancy sharpener. I didn't do that. I reached for a simple item that almost everyone already has sitting in the garage. Nothing expensive. Nothing special. In a few minutes, you'll see how this everyday item can bring a dull knife back to life. Before sharpening the knife, I always start by cleaning the blade. This step matters more than most people think. I take regular white vinegar and baking soda. I sprinkle the baking soda evenly on both sides of the blade. Then slowly pour the vinegar over it. You will see it react right away. Next, I lay a dry paper towel over the blade and add one more light layer of vinegar on top. This helps keep everything in place. I let the knife sit like this for about 30 minutes. During that time, the mixture loosens grease and light rust, so the edge is ready for sharpening. Let me know your state in the comments. It's always great to see how many DIY folks are out there. For the sharpening tool, I start with 2 old spark plugs. These are the kind most people have lying around in the garage. I clamp each spark plug firmly in a bench vise so it does not move. Then I use a handheld grinder with a masonry cutting wheel to remove the metal and free the ceramic body. Take your time here and work slowly. The ceramic is very hard, but it cuts clean if you stay steady. Once the ceramic pieces are exposed, they are ready to be used as a smooth and durable sharpening surface. Next, the body of the sharpening tool is made from a simple piece of wood. I clamp the wood firmly in a bench vise so it does not move while working. Using a handsaw, both sides are cut at an angle to form a clean V-shaped groove in the center. This groove keeps the knife edge from touching the wood during sharpening. After that, I drill 2 holes near the base of the V, one on each side. These holes will hold the ceramic pieces straight and secure later on. Now it's time to mount the ceramic pieces onto the wood. I place each ceramic body into the holes that were drilled earlier. Using simple screws, I tighten them down so they stay firm and straight. I keep the 2 ceramic surfaces parallel and very close together. The V-shaped groove stays open underneath so the knife never touches the wood while sharpening. After 30 minutes, the blade is ready to be cleaned. I take a dry cloth and wipe both sides of the knife carefully. The vinegar and baking soda have loosened old grease and light rust, so it comes off easily. I make sure the edge is clean and dry before moving on. This step matters because a clean blade sharpens more evenly and gives better results. Once the knife feels smooth and free of residue, It is ready for the next step. Now, it is time to sharpen the knife. I place the blade into the narrow gap between the two ceramic pieces and slide it through with light. Steady strokes. A little water is sprayed on the ceramics to keep the surface wet. After a few passes, the blade is wiped clean with a dry cloth. To finish the edge, I add a small amount of toothpaste to the ceramic surfaces. I run the knife through the gap a few more times using very light pressure. This step helps smooth the edge and remove any fine burrs. After that, I wipe the blade clean and dry, and the knife is ready to use. Now the moment that really matters. The knife cuts clean through paper without tearing. Back in the kitchen, it slices a tomato smoothly, with no pressure at all. That is the result of taking a little time and using what you already have at home. If this simple sharpening trick helped you, give the video a like. Share it with someone who enjoys fixing things instead of replacing them. Subscribe to the channel for more practical ideas you can use around the house. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.